So let's begin. I got the new Galaxy Buds Plus, an upgrade from what I currently have, which is the earbuds. Not sure what model they are. I just know that Walmart sells them. They're alright, not bad. But anyways, I wanted to upgrade, so check it out. The Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. Got them on sale for like 70 bucks. Alright, let's open it up so I can start using them. This isn't going to be a review. This is just kind of like an open box. I'm trying to see what's in here, so people can check them out and see if they like them. Okay, cool. So before we get into this portion, this box has a booklet here, maybe? I don't know. I'm gonna throw it away anyways. I don't really care for booklets. Cool, quick guides. All right. Alright, anyways, there's that. Nothing in there. Comes with the case. More glossier than I thought. Cool. Paper's flimsy. Ooh, look at that. I'll do some B-roll for you guys. But, yeah. Let me see if I could move the light really fast. Oh, let me turn off the light. See if we can get a better look. See if that helps. Oh, it's glossy. No, that doesn't really help. Okay, hold on. Let me turn the light back on. All right, cool. There you go. Look at that. Looks nice. Bottom. Wow, my fingers are greasy. Oh wow. Look at that. Beautiful. Cool. They're ready. They're ready to go. Alright, well, earbuds are here. There's no light that indicates they're on or off. Interesting. Same thing here. Nothing that indicates. Anyways, let's do the test. Now I'm shaking them hard. Okay. Well, they fall out. Okay, not bad. Anyways, that's pretty cool. Alright, let's go back to the other stuff. Now let's continue. Now I'll leave them here. You can barely see them. What else is in here? Seems like the charger. There you go. Okay, cool. The charger and the buds, the earpieces and whatnot. Let's get the cable out of here. Cable, nice. Looks pretty long. The USB-C. Oh, it is. There it is. Nice. Dope. The cable right there. Let's put it on top. Maybe you guys can see. Horrible camera angle that I'm in. Anyways. Doesn't matter. Uh-oh. Well, there you have it. You get some earpiece things and whatnot. I'll put it all on display. I'll display it all perfectly and do some B-roll so you guys can see what actually came in here. But yeah, all of this stuff here, and that's basically it, you guys. Alright, have a good one. Again, look at how that looks. Cool. See you guys later.